Artificial intelligence is changing how organizations build software, automate decisions, serve customers, and manage critical business operations. But as AI systems become more powerful, they also introduce entirely new security and governance risks. Prompt injection, jailbreak attacks, malicious documents, memory poisoning, unauthorized tool calls, sensitive data exposure, hallucinations, and uncontrolled agent actions are no longer theoretical problems. Organizations need professionals who understand how to identify these risks, design secure architectures, implement effective controls, and govern AI systems across the entire lifecycle. That is why we created the Agentic AI Security and LLM Governance Career Bootcamp. Hi, I am Vivin Arana, and along with me, I have Arjun White, who will walk you through this course.
In this hands-on course, you will build AI chat assistants, RAG applications, tool calling systems, persistent memory, and autonomous AI agents. You will then attack those systems, understand their weaknesses, and implement practical defenses. You will learn how to secure prompts, retrieve documents, tools, memory, model outputs, and agent workflows. You will build prompt validators, risk scoring engines, guardrails, approval workflows, enforcement layers, and a complete AI security gateway. But this course goes far beyond technical security. You will also learn enterprise AI governance, risk scoring, model evaluation, drift monitoring, prompt and response governance, agent oversight, compliance mapping, policy management, audit trails, incident response, executive reporting, and governance dashboards. You will work with leading frameworks, including the NIST AI Risk Management Framework, ISO/IEC 42001, and the EU AI Act.
By the end of the bootcamp, you will have a portfolio of practical AI security and governance projects that demonstrate your ability to secure and govern real world AI systems. Whether you are a cybersecurity professional, AI engineer, architect, developer, auditor, governance specialist, consultant, or technology leader, this course will help you prepare for the next generation of AI security and governance roles. Join us in the Agentic AI Security and LLM Governance Career Bootcamp and learn how to build AI systems that are not only powerful but secure, responsible, and enterprise ready.